Hi, Lillian Drive third graders. It's Mrs. Clark. Looking good, feeling good. Today we are going to talk about using Google Drawings to create a robot and use the shape tool and the fill bucket and the text tool. Those are the three things that I want to see that you are able to use when using Google Drawing. So on this week's assignment, you're going to notice that you already have two Google Drawing there. One of them is my demo, and one of them it says student work, which you have your own copy of. So when you open up the demo, right now I'm going to show you how to make a Google Drawing. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a background. So I'm going to go to my shapes and I'm going to put in a background shape. I want to make mine really sharp. So I'm going to make, oops, sorry, I'm going to make my background shape. And we all know how to use the drag feature. Remember, 2 arrows means resize, 4 arrows means click and drag. So I'm going to use the fill bucket. I'm going to change the background color and the border color. Remember, fill bucket, fill color, pencil with the line underneath means border color, the outside color. So I'm going to, again, use my shape tools and I'm going to make a robot. So I want to do and I'm going to color in the shapes as I go. Notice how you might have to resize. And so we're purely using the shapes, the fill, and then text feature for this project. And notice how it already colored it in the same. If you want to outline it a different color, if you want to change the color, you can do that. And I want to put a wheel on the bottom. So my robot is going to move by wheel. If things aren't right, you might have to replace them, move them over. A good idea that you could do if you're not sure of one, you could always go onto Google and you can type in robot pictures and you can get some ideas of what robot pictures may look like on images. So that's what you can do as well. So I'm here, I'm trying to make my robot, and then I want to give my robot some eyes, and I can always change my colors. And then if you want to copy it, you can always right click, copy, and then right click, paste if you want to have two of the same thing. And this is how I'm starting to work on my robot. I want to put an eagle, a flying eagle in the middle of our robot. So I'm going to go to insert image and search the web for a soaring eagle. Oh, we got lots of soaring eagles here. There we go. I want to put a soaring eagle on the middle of my robot. So I'm going to size the image down, drag and drop it in the middle. And then maybe I'm going to put some gears here on the bottom of my robot. I kind of got my idea from here. And then when I want to put an arm on my robot, you can also use the drawing tool, which is called Scribble. And that will allow you to make scribbly lines and you can change the color and the line weight. So if I want to make my line weight a little darker, you could do that too. And we're working on making a robot. So this is what I have so far. And it's your choice what you want your robot to look like. And then when you're done, I'd like for you to put your name on it. And now I could probably add some arms to my robot, but I'm going to add my name. So I'm going to click the text box and I'm going to draw a text box. And then I'm going to name it. I got to make sure that I change my text color to something else. And your font. And I'm going to call mine Mrs. Clark's Soaring Robot. Mrs. Clark's Soaring Eagle Robot. And now I have my name on it. Remember, what you put into it is what you're going to get. And Lillian Drive Eagles are always soaring to success and nothing less. Remember to turn it in so you get credit. Bye.